Hello, I'm Eric Brock, CEO of Ondas Holdings and Executive Chairman of Aerobotics. I'm thrilled to share some exciting news with you. The FAA has approved a type certificate for Aerobotics Optimus drone system. This is the highest level of airworthiness certification, and the Optimus system is one of the first in the world to receive this approval. It has been a decade of incredible progress in the drone space, and we're still just beginning to recognize their amazing potential. However, automated drones pose significant challenges to aviation safety authorities. These drones are restricted from flying over people and roads and are required to maintain a direct line of sight with a ground-based drone pilot. Some of these restrictions can be waived by the FAA, but only for specific timeframes and geographical constraints. With the type certificate, the Optimus system will be permitted to operate consistently above people and across public roads, a crucial advantage for scaling of operations and deployment of automated drone fleets. Connected to a remote control center and equipped with a docking station and a robotic arm, the Optimus system autonomously handles battery and sensor swapping and effortlessly launches multiple drone missions to stay airborne 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. For first responders, municipalities, industry, and many other critical operations, Optimus is an absolute game changer. Our pioneering journey with the dedicated teams of the FAA to certify the Optimus system included rigorous testing and experimentation, with Optimus clocking over 100,000 operational hours worldwide. And today, all that hard work has paid off. Welcome to a new era of autonomous drone operation.